So my tree fell into the power lines, and we got the power company here, and they are going to cut part of it down. As you can see, the roots just came right out of the ground, and I had no idea it would just break off like that. So the wind wasn't that strong, but clearly the roots weren't good or something. I don't know. So this is kind of like an emergency situation, as you can see, because it's touching our power line and the neighborhood one. So it has to be addressed right now on a Sunday night. Kind of dangerous stuff considering it's live power wires. So I'm sure they're pretty experienced with that. But now you can kind of get the idea of how high up this is. So clearly I wouldn't be able to do anything about this. And you can't touch things with a live power wire. Sounds crispy. Huh? Sounds crispy when he touched it, see? Yikes. That's all I need to do. Service is good. Oh, that's good. I guess the tree's gonna be looked at tomorrow. It's a super windy day. They've got some signs there, don't come down into the alley. All done now. I'm gonna come take a look. can see somehow the roots rot it. And it just came right out of the ground. The whole stump, everything. Like, honestly, with these trees, you can't really tell if they're rotten. They all look kind of old. So, yeah, a little bit of damage here on the planter box. But that's nothing. And it was up there on the pole. Anyway, it turned out pretty good. Could have been a lot worse, and I guess I'm glad it's gone since it's the way it is. Thanks for watching.